Guys, so I'm sharing my screen, and what you guys have to understand is there are like few changes in what we were doing so far. That's why I'm trying to start this recording. So when you enroll in the program, when you kind of go through the course, what you have to do is you are given the course LMS access. So you need to go into certificateprograms.medipharmsolutions.com. You should have received an email by now, and in that the URL is there, and you just have to click student login. You go into student login, you put in your username password which was given to you. You don't need to change it. If you want to change it, please change it, but remember what is the password. I believe I remember my password now. Oh, please. Yes. So this is an admin account, so you see all the programs, but for you guys, you will only see certificate programs in drug safety and pharmacovigilance, and you just click on it, and then it will go into the LMS modules. And what I normally recommend is to just click on one of this module. It will give you that module and all the modules on your left-hand side. So whatever is the module that we are teaching, these are the names that the admin is sending you as is. She's just copy pasting the module title, putting it into the email, and whoever is taking the class today. So she's going to send you that email, so you know what module was covered. And if you miss the module, you have to just go through page 1 of page 3, page 2 of 3, and 3 of 3. And if you click to the next one, you basically have Argus case processing general tab. So if you click on this module, you will see pretty much one video, which will always be probably my video. If I took the class. If not, tomorrow when you go in, you will see 2 videos. It will be one video which is like probably from the last time it was there, and then today's whatever we have covered. So as you were asking, Devika, where can you see the video tomorrow is when you go into case processing general tab. You will see 2 videos. You don't need to go through both the videos. Just go through whatever is the bottommost one, which is the most recent one. Both the information is the same. So just go through the video in your um, in your at your convenience, and then once you're done with the video, mark complete, hit mark complete. So this is how you navigate into LMS and complete the module. Now once you hit mark complete, you can always go back and kind of redo it. You can kind of go through the module as many times as you want, and then you go to the next module. If you are going through one module after the other, you can just go through those modules. So that's how you pretty much navigate the course. Is that clear? So, so most of you are asking questions like, can I get a recording of this, or can I get the link to the recording? It's not possible to send you the link for obvious reasons, because the video, the size of the video is too large for me to do anything with that. So that is the reason why we cannot really, kind of do anything with sending the recording. And this is how we can only send it. And most of our classes are uploaded before noon. I mean, that's the first thing that admin is doing. But just to give her some time, if the class happens today, by tomorrow 12 p.m. it will be there. There's no questions asked. If there is any kind of technical issues or whatever, you will get an email saying that this module was not uploaded, or the instructor forgot to record it, which happens most of the times with me. So she might send that kind of thing, but most of the times it will be done. So that's how you kind of go through each of the module and mark a complete for every module that you have gone through. Now, that's how you navigate the course. Now, the second thing I want to go